In a small town lived a boy named Raju. His parents worked in a tiny workshop repairing wooden furniture. They earned very little, but Raju always dreamed big. Raju's friends started coming to school on new bicycles. They raced, they laughed, they played. Raju watched from far away, feeling like he didn't belong. One evening, Raju said softly, "Mom, Dad, I wish I had a bicycle too." His father looked at his rough, tired hands and said, "Raju, we don't have enough money, but one day we will try." Raju didn't cry. He didn't complain. Instead, he looked around at the workshop, at the pieces of wood, screws, and old tools. A small idea lit up in his mind. For the next few days, he did not go to school. Everyone thought he was sick, but Raju was secretly working. He cut wood. He shaped pieces with sandpaper. He used old chair legs, broken table wheels, and discarded rods. He failed again and again. He fell, got hurt, and cried quietly. But he didn't stop. On the fourth day, Raju arrived at school. Not by walking, not by running. He came riding a beautiful handmade wooden bicycle, smoother and stronger than anyone expected. It had carvings on the side, and his name engraved on the seat. All the students stopped and stared. "Where did you get this? Who made it? How did you do this?" Raju smiled and said, "I didn't wait for someone to buy it. I built it." His teacher placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Raju, you didn't just build a bicycle. You built your future." That day, Raju was chosen for a national creativity competition, and his wooden bicycle became the highlight of the event. He won first prize and scholarships, changing his life forever.